would be sufficient, would be too high for the instrumentation. But it turned out not to be the case. And so a couple of years ago, we transitioned to the 3 liberators that you see in the
sometimes on that leading edge is too aggressive and you end up with what we call